Yeah, good afternoon. Distinguished Chief Guest A.B. Geeta, Chairperson SIS of ACI, respected guests of honor, and Senior Central Council Member Prasanna Kumar Garu, Chairman Peer Review Board and this Conference Director, and Divya Madam, and the Branch Chairman C.A. Nitta Ravikishore, Secretary Jayant, the other Managing Committee members of Vijayawada Branch, learned speakers from all over the country, galaxy of the past chairman of Vijayawada Branch, members from different places of Andhra Pradesh, and also Telangana, past chairman of Hyderabad Branch, Tirupati Garu. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. I am happy to be part of this 2 days national conference, Sankalp, organized by CPE committee and hosted by Vijayawada branch of SRs of ICI. I would like to take the opportunity to appreciate the efforts made by C.A. Purushottam Kandelwal, Chairman CPE Committee, C.A. Gyanchand Misra, Vice Chairman CPE Committee for granting National Conference in Vijayawada. I would like to congratulate C.A. Ravikishore Garu and the other Managing Committee members to come forward for organizing a National Conference in Vijayawada. It was yet another wonderful opportunity to be part of envisioning speeches, panel discussions. Though it's a teamwork, but the way he worked for the conference as a chairman was really unforgettable. The subject chosen and the resource person selected point out an ultimate objective of this conference, and it would enrich and enlighten the participants with a wider perspective of the profession. I am sure the members here would benefit the most learning from the great minds among us. Thank you very much.